Hello guys, it's Destiny back on your screen, and today we're back with a slime video. My sister is just attracted with it, so I'm just going to show you the slimes. So this is the one what she's made right now. See. Okay, so that was that one. You couldn't even see it properly.
You could see the good.
What?
You could see the good.
Okay. And now these are her other ones. We had a lot. So, bear with me. A second. A minute. Right, guys. So my sister is going to show you now.
Right, so, hello. So, this slime is my orange slime, and it's got some little oranges in it, and it's orange, and it's scented like Tutti Frutti because it's got fruit in it.
Yeah, you've got like
it's
this
nice.
one.
Yeah, it is a little sticky because I left it in a really hot room. Yep, so we've got
Don't
that.
show that one what you got from your
No,
secret
that
satellite.
because it's not really one that I made. Alright, and
Yeah, you're just showing the one that you made.
yeah. Alright, so, and also, yeah, I have this one. It's got foam beads in it.
Why has this one got foam beads in it?
Because it had one. Yeah, and it has,
It doesn't have one.
it's purple,
It
and
has
it's
6.
butter slime.
Kiwi, it has 6 in it.
It's crunchy, and it's nice smelling, and it smells like Tutti Frutti as well, because I didn't really know what scent to use. And this one's sticky. A little sticky. Oh no, it's not. It's actually not. But it is. Yeah, it is. See, I told you. Because I left this in a really hot room as well. Otherwise, it was really good and stretchy until I took it to school when I shouldn't have. But I was allowed to, but like I didn't really want to, obviously, no. Because it's melted them as our cousins are super duper hot.
Yeah, because she has air freshener and she has heat.
We have really hot cousins. It is exciting.
Sorry, my mum
this
got bad as well.
one is the bubblegum slime. It's crunchy and it's not sticky at all now because I put activator in it, so it's not sticky. But I did take this one to school and it was very sticky after. But I put more activator in. I don't want to put too much in the kiwi
It's
one.
got green in it now.
So it's gonna go green anyway. It's gonna go blended. And it's blue and it's crunchy. It's super.
That's what
nice.
I'm getting from masala.
Okay, and
You still got a road to go.
yeah, really anyway. And I have this one.
What's the other ones?
I don't really want to play with it because it's a little bit wet. This one, beach slime, and it's got little seashells in it, and it's got a big massive star, and it really hurts when you crunch it up. Like, ow! Yeah, but it's yellow. It's got seashells in. And also I have this one, which is perfectly clear, but obviously I've been playing with it earlier, so it's not too clear. Yeah, and it's like this, and it's really nice. And it has little stars in it, and it's super stretchy, and it smells super nice. And I don't really want to show you anymore because they're just the same, but in different toys. But oh yeah, and I have this one. I don't really. It's only small slime, but yeah, it's just like a clear slime. But it's changed colours, so I don't know why. It's probably like changing colour something. Bye.
Okay, so now we've showed you her slimes. I am going to show you mine and my sister's daily routines after we come back from school. So we've already got dressed. Yeah. Actually, in the other video, we'll do our routine.
Yeah.